She starts by adding rice to a saucepan with a little olive oil and stirring in salt.
What does cooking it like this do?
Fluff it up. It just makes it nice and fluffy.
She then simmers it with the lid on. In separate pots, she cooks lentils in unsalted water and pasta in salted water. She then coats the cooked pasta in a little olive oil, adds the soft lentils and then the rice. She sprinkles on some of the baharat spice mix. For the topping, Teresa fries onion rings to a sweet dark brown.
Oh, that waft of spice just comes up, doesn't it?
Isn't it gorgeous? Very nice.
Then the accompanying sauce. She sautés diced onion and garlic, then adds tomato paste, water, salt, baharat, pepper and ground chilli. The fragrant sauce cooking for 15 minutes. The kushari is dressed with the sauce and deep dark fried diced onion.
It looks really good.